Have you ever wondered how your computer makes decisions? Just like humans, computers also make decisions based on certain conditions. Today we dive into the fascinating world of conditional statements, encoding a key tool that helps computers make such decisions.
Welcome back to my vlog, where we dive into the world of coding, techniques, and tutorials. I'm your host, Just Chan.
Allow me to introduce the simplest form of conditional statements, the if-else statement. Picture this. You're walking out the door, but then you ask yourself, is it raining? If it is, you take an umbrella. If it isn't, you go on your merry way. This is an if-else statement. In the realm of programming, it works in a similar way. This statement checks a condition. If the condition is true, it executes a block of code. If the condition is false, it executes a different block of code.
In this example,
the illustration shows two-way condition. Referring to if and else if condition goes like this: if age is greater than or equal to 18. The program says, you are old enough to drive. Else if the age is less than 18, it will say you are not old enough to drive. Now let's add a little complexity to the mix. If statements. Think about choosing what to wear. If it's sunny, you might wear a t-shirt. If it's raining, perhaps a raincoat. But what if it's snowing? You'd need a warm coat. This decision-making process is an else-if statement. In code, it allows us to check multiple conditions and execute a block of code as soon as one of the conditions is met. In this example, we see a series of else-if condition. The value to be tested is in the variable grade. In the first condition is says, if grade is greater than or equal to 90. The program displays passed. Else if grade is greater than or equal to 80, it still says passed. Else if grade is greater than or equal to 75, it still says passed. Else if the value in the variable grade does not meet any certain condition. About it will say sorry, you fail. Finally, we arrive at the switch case statement, a more advanced type of conditional statement. Picture a vending machine. You press a button, and depending on the button you press, you get a different snack. That's a switch case statement in coding. This statement allows us to perform actions based on the value of a variable or expression. To summarize, conditional statements are the decision makers in our code. They determine the flow of a program based on certain conditions. The if-else statement checks a condition and executes a block of code depending on whether the condition is true or false. The else-if statement allows us to check multiple conditions and execute a block of code as soon as one condition is met. And the switch case statement performs actions based on the value of a variable or expression. Keep in mind, understanding conditional statements is like learning a language, the language of computers. It's a core concept in programming. And with practice, you'll be fluent in no time. So go forth, code, and let your computer make decisions like never before.
Thank all of you for your continued support and engagement. It's because of you that we're able to bring you these informative and exciting videos every week. I hope you found these tutorials helpful and that they inspire you to push the boundaries of your coding abilities. Remember, coding is not just about writing lines of code, it's about problem solving and creativity. If you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, please leave them in the comments below. I love hearing from you and tailoring my content to your needs. And that's a wrap for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay updated with all our latest videos. Thank you once again for joining me on this coding journey. Until next time, keep coding and keep exploring. This is Just Chan, signing off.